What's next for the iPad mini? Here's what the rumours say. The current generation iPad mini was introduced back in September 2021 and hasn't been updated since. What's next for the iPad mini? Rumours suggest an update could come later this year with an improved display, faster performance, and more. So what's next for the iPad mini? New display. The next generation iPad mini will reportedly have an improved display to help resolve jelly scrolling problems. According to a rumour, Apple has changed the direction of the iPad mini screen assembling to help reduce the effects of the jelly scrolling design flaw. Despite this improvement, the iPad mini 7's display will still be limited to 60 Hz and use LCD screen technology. Jelly scrolling is when half of a device's display refreshes noticeably slower than the other half. This results in a sort of wobble effect, hence the jelly scrolling name. Apple is currently battling a class action lawsuit that alleges the jelly scrolling display issue makes the iPad mini 6 unusable. Faster performance. The next generation iPad mini will feature faster performance. The current iPad mini is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, while a reliable leaker on Weibo says the new model will feature an A16 Bionic. This isn't a dramatic upgrade, and performance will still lag behind the A17 and A18 chips used in the most recent iPhone models. Still, users can expect a modest boost in both CPU and GPU performance. Benchmarks have shown that the A16 Bionic is around 10% faster in most tasks compared to the A15 Bionic. Other components in the iPad mini 7 will also be updated, including support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. More changes. In addition to upgraded performance and the improved display, what can we expect to see with the iPad mini 7? According to Instant Digital on Weibo, the new iPad mini 7 will be available in new colors. For context, the current iPad mini comes in purple, starlight, pink, and space gray. The Weibo account also says new iPad mini 7 will feature an upgraded camera, but no specific details are available. Wrap up. The iPad mini's future. The new iPad mini 7 will be released later this year, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, as well as Ming-Chi Kuo. Looking further into the future, Apple is expected to bring more advanced OLED displays to the iPad mini. We're years away from this becoming a reality though. What do you think of the current iPad mini and Apple's plans for the future? Let us know down in the comments as we conclude this video. We hope you found our exploration into the future of the iPad mini both enlightening and engaging. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bring you the latest rumors and insights in the tech world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. Your engagement drives our commitment to deliver high-quality tech content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more tech insights in our next video. Until then, peace out.